आजही तुम्ही भरपूर गजाली मांडल्यो, भरपूर पत्र इनवर्ड केली, सगळे गजाली केल्यो. लेट अस स्टार्ट विथ द बेजीक थिंग. म्हादईचेर बी मागीर येवया. पण आज जो पयली विशय येता तो म्हळ्यार असेंब्ली सेशनाचो, आनी फुडल्या 8 दिसां भितर असेंब्ली सेशन सुरू जातलें. यू वॉन्टेड अ लॉंगर असेंब्ली सेशन. यू हॅव ऑल्सो सेड दॅट फाटले खेपे कर्टेल केलें, सांगलें फुडल्या सेशना भितर दीस एड करता. नाव तुगेलें एड करपाक जाय आशिल्लें. बिझनेस एडवायझरी कमिटीच्या मिटिंगे भितर कितें जालें, कारण खूब फावटी आमी जेन्ना हो प्रश्न सत्ताधारी पक्षा विचारतात ते म्हणटात की बिझनेस एडवायझरी कमिटी भितर तुमी इशू काडात, थंय उलयात म्हणून. सो कितें जालें?
See, first of all, Pramod, today is the Legislators' Day.
Yeah.
And it's about 59 years ago that for the first time in Adil Shah's palace that the first assembly session happened. On this day, there was again murder of democracy. Today, when we went for the BAC meeting, we went and Mr. Vijay Sardesai, दोगांनी आमी एक letter again, we submitted that letter to the Honorable Speaker. And that letter stated that extension of the last curtailed assembly session, which was supposed to be for 5 weeks. It was curtailed because of panchayat elections. Today, the Chief Minister was on record saying that it was curtailed because of COVID. I'm not sure whether he was aware that it was because of the panchayat election. 3 weeks, we were told that we would be given additional 3 weeks. That was not accepted. Apart from that, we raised issues of 5 sub-questions to curtail our right. A, B, C, D, E mo. Only 5 questions were allowed to take. After that, they issue another circular getting 5 years past history mo. So now an ordinary citizen under RTI gets information of 20 years. We are elected members. We are representatives of the people. And most of the opposition MLAs are new, including myself. Now what has happened in the last 10 years is our right to know. For instance, the mining, illegal mining montale, 35,000 crores. PAC report hamo honorable tennache Mukhyamantri Manohar Parrikaran sanglale 35,000 crores. Now that report doesn't exist, and we can't ask information pertaining to that. And then how do we correlate that with the current mining auction that has happened, for instance? So basically, this government is not serious. They
What
only
happened in the business advisory meeting?
No, see, in
Because
the business
सदांच ते सांगता कितें हें बरें आहा तुमी उलयता तें, पण तुमी मिटिंग आनी एक इशू मांडा म्हणटा ते. तुमी जेन्ना इशू मांडलो तेन्ना कितें जालें?
See, आमी जे इशू मांडले सगळे मांडले, but the speaker somehow is not ready to accept it. It is his duty. He is the custodian of the house. It is his duty to protect our rights as MLAs. Are private members' day. Since last 12 years, I have taken the record and I placed it today. I showed it today that except one day when I think Manohar Parrikar was not well, during that day that we didn't have private members' day. Otherwise, we always have private members' day. So basically, Amgele, they don't want to answer us. They are basically scared of the opposition. Looks like they are scared of what is coming for them. Otherwise, why do silence now? 33 आहे मधून गेले, 82% आमदार तुमको आहे आणि 7 जाणां भिताय तुमी. हे म्हाका समना कित्याक वाय टू कटेल आर रायट्स. अरे फरज आमकां लोकांक पगार दिला टू फायट फॉर देअर रायट्स. आय एम परफॉर्मिंग आर रोल एज अ लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन. So why doesn't the speaker protect my right? He's the custodian of the house. So we asked him that, and he was unable to answer as usual.